Alright, what's up you guys? It's Arturo here, and today, what I got planned for today, I'm about to go play with my dog today at the park real quick. And also, I'm trying to build me a PC here. Trying to build me a PC. I only got a few parts for it though. I got the GPU, the RAM, and that's pretty much it. But I'm trying to get the motherboard and the CPU though. And the parts for the rest of the parts, I'm just gonna get it little by little. I ain't gonna get everything all together though. But yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. So yeah, I'm about to head over there with some buddies at Micro Center. He's gonna help me out. He's gonna help me out pick up some parts for it because he knows more about PCs than I do. So he's gonna help me choose which parts are the best and stuff like that. I ain't trying to go too crazy with the price. You know, I'm on a budget. So hopefully, you know, I don't spend too much. Like, I know building PC is spending a lot, but I ain't trying to spend, you know, too much on a PC though. No. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to spend, like, I know it costs a lot, but I just don't want to, you know, I'm gonna try to keep it as low as possible though. But yeah, you guys, right now I just woken up a few minutes ago, so I'm about to go take my dog out and play at the park real quick. So I decided to play with him outside instead of going to the park. It was getting late. I had things to do. But yeah, I'm about to play with him real quick, and then I'm about to head out. I might take him to the park later though. Later when I got time. Cause I'm already knowing he ain't gonna get tired by playing outside like this. And dude got a lot of energy too. Alright you guys, so right now I'm at my homie spot. I'm about to pick him up right now, and we're gonna be on our way to pick up some parts for my PC. Yes sir, yes sir. You already know. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? So this is the man right here, bro. Hey. This is the man, bro.
Good morning.
Hold up, bro. Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Yeah, we about to head out to Micro Center right now. We about to meet up with a homie over there and get some parts for the PC. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm there.
What's your what you want right now? Nah, bro, traffic lights. What do you want right now?
Hold up, I gotta get you for the camera. What'd you say? Well, what's up? What did you say, bro?
What do you have right now for your money?
I have 5. He said that was 2 something, right?
219.
And this is 139.
130. Bro. You're at 360 right now. 360? So you got 140. Yeah, 140.
And he said it has a discount too.
What's this? Asus?
Is that good? Huh?
Asus is a classic, bro.
Yeah, bro. I don't know. I'm new to this, bro. Yeah, bro. If you ever need a, you know, PC parts, bro, come over here. We got everything.
I'm not gonna lie, I like it.
Yeah.
I don't come here to build my PC. I want to come with budget. I don't come with $3 grand.
Okay. You ain't gotta do me like that,
Just 'cause
but
I game, I don't edit. I'm gaming. Like streaming. That's the thing.
You stream?
I used to.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen that show on HBO Max with LeBron James? Oh yeah. When they're in a barbershop and talking, I love that show.
Me too. I love that. Yeah.
Mike Tyson beyond that thing too.
I love that too.
Hey. No, you did not watch it.
He said, "Yeah, I know what you guys are talking about." He said, "Yeah, I know."
Hey,
Well, you want to get something else? So since you're still on a budget?
Man, let's see. What do you think I should get? What's like the next important shit? I don't have to add anything else to the motherboard, right? It's just the GPU, CPU, the RAM, and that's
Everything
it.
gets on it.
That's it. That's all. I don't gotta add anything else to it.
Yeah, I had a bunch of other shit.
I think he said that was universal too.
Hey, bro, you think we should go for the? Yeah. What was I gonna say? Hard drive. That's the memory, right? I'm trying to get like a 6 or a 4.
Where's that at over there?
It was over there, bro. Which one? Yeah, which one, bro?
I'm fucking asking y'all if you want to go eat.
Hey,
But where at?
Oh, I mean,
What time you say you got work?
4 by
is recording.
Yeah, bro, you know what's up.
I'm like planning on building my computer instead of helping you build your computer. So,
What?
yeah, remember?
Nah, the hard drive? It's over here, bro.
Hey, we have to go eat though, for real.
Shit.
Don't matter. Are you trying to go eat?
I'm trying to go eat.
Right after
Yeah, I'm trying to see what they got over here, bro. Basically, bro, they're on their Black Friday sale. Supposedly.
Huh?
Supposedly, they're on their Black Friday sale right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
You want a classic headset, bro? I'm gonna give you my best recommendations. You
Bro.
can't go wrong for a cloud core. But not this one, the 2. That's not targeting for that. I love it. I've been using that since I was.
Maybe it'll be some food.
We got Beatles, we got IHOP.
Trying to go IHOP? No cap, bro. That sounds smack.
You said what?
I have something good.
You saw good? You got something that good? You said?
What?
I have something good though. I have.
Bro, take over manners, bro.
That nigga talking like Darth Vader, bro.
Yeah, I have something good though. For
You want to
sure.
go? Okay. The one in Oakdale?
Yeah.
What? Which one?
The one by Target.
IHOP?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, yeah. Cause you had everything.
All right, y'all. So we got my parts already. You feel me? Let me show you what I got. So I got me the motherboard over here. The motherboard, you know, I don't know what it does, but you know, I gotta put parts in it though. And I got me the CPU. I got me the Ryzen 5. Yeah, I came in with the homie. He helped me out, pick the parts up. Yeah, now we're on the way to get some breakfast real quick. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, so we made it to IHOP. About to go in, get some food.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah.
Say fuck them fool.
Alright, so this is it, bro.
Pues. Until next time, bro.
Alright, bro. Alright, y'all, so now I'm home. Right now I'm about to start my motherboard with the stuff that I bought. I didn't buy everything yet, but this is the motherboard right here. I'm gonna be walking through how I'm doing it, how I'm installing the parts to the motherboard, and yeah. Also, it's my first time installing a motherboard, so yeah. So if I can do it, you guys can do it too. guys, what's up? So, I forgot to record. I mean, I didn't forget, but I was recording me doing the PC parts thing, like building it and all with all the things I got in. But then I started struggling with putting the parts together and stuff, so I was like, nah, I ain't gonna record it and upload it. Right now I'm playing with my dog right now though. Getting his exercise in. Cause I haven't played with him this whole week, cause I just been busy with stuff. And I just felt bad just leaving him in the house, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna play with him today. Playing with him early in the morning, cause I got other things planned today. I'm planning on buying a PC though, a PC today. Plan to get a ProArt Asus, I believe it's called. Yeah, ProArt Asus as a monitor for my video editings. And I'm not gonna do much gaming. I'm gonna be doing some light gaming and stuff. But I'm only gonna mainly use it for video editing because the PC that I use for video editing, it ain't that good. Like, it be freezing, it be lagging, and I'm like, nah. So I ended up deciding to build me a PC. And I'll probably put the parts in the description or in the next video or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the parts to my PC and stuff. So yeah. Alright you guys, so right now I'm pretty much done with the PC. I finished it yesterday at night. It took me a while to figure out where stuff went and all that, and also the installation for Windows. But right now I got everything done. This is my setup here. Yeah, so this is my PC. And also the monitor and the keyboard and the mouse. And for the monitor, I chose the Asus ProArt. I chose this monitor because I want to use it more for editing than gaming. I'm gonna still do gaming, but I'm gonna just do light gaming. But I want to focus more on editing though. But yeah, this is the monitor, the PC. Yesterday I picked up the monitor and also the keyboard and mouse. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I didn't record me doing the whole process about how where everything went and all that, because like I said previously, I was new to this and I was also struggling as well, as you guys saw when I was installing the RAM and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.